Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel once again. Your Sanjana Thakur with the next video. Thank you so much for showing lots of love on my last previous video, and I really received lots of comments, lots of queries कि आपने ये like so many questions were there, and thank you so much Indigo crew who have personally texted me on WhatsApp कि संजना क्या रहा result, video was amazing, please make the next video. Thank you for taking so much time for me to appreciate, it was very helpful. उसी की वजह से शायद आज मैं ये next video बना रही हूँ. So before starting the video, I'm gonna tell you कि मेरी जो next video होगी, the video which I will be making will be the things which I have blunder and things which impress the interview of जो मेरे इंटरव्यू से था. सो मैंने बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया था कि अगर मेरा रिजल्ट रिजेक्टेड होता है तो क्या क्या कमी है जिसकी वजह से मेरा सिलेक्शन ना हो, या फिर व्हाट वर द रीज़न कि ये लोग सेलेक्ट नहीं हुए नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए, फर्स्ट राउंड में ही बाहर चले गए और मैं क्यों हुई हूँ. सो ये ऑल आउट ऑफ ऑल दोज कंपैरिजन एंड थिंग्स मैंने टाइम लिया और बहुत सोचा, एंड आई हैव सो मेनी पॉइंटर्स टू टेल कि हाउ कैन यू बी अ परफेक्ट वन टू गिव द इंटरव्यू. सो मेरे पास मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो यही बताने वाली हूँ कि थिंग्स विच यू शुड नॉट डू एंड विच यू शुड डू वाइल गिविंग द इंटरव्यू फॉर योर, दैट विल बी हेल्पफुल. मतलब आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज हो गया, आपका बोलने का तरीका हो गया, सब चीज़ का मिला के आई मेक अ वीडियो नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वीडियो इन विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द क्वेश्चन विच वॉज आस्क्ड ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू फाइनल राउंड में मेरे से. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वॉज संजना इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ. ये एक वर्ल्ड वाइड क्वेश्चन है, आप किसी भी इंटरव्यू में जाओगे पीपल आर गोना आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ. जब इंट्रोडक्शन की बारी आती है तो दिस टाइम दे वॉन्ट टू हियर कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट यू, योर नेम, योर बैकग्राउंड, where are you working, how much experience you have, what are your future goals, what are your hobbies, your advantages, disadvantages, everything they want to know in this. So I believe आपको एक कम से कम 60 seconds का एक अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन अपना रेडी रखना चाहिए. थोड़ा कुछ यूनिक डालो, कुछ अच्छा डालो, या फिर बेसिक किसी का भी कॉपी करो, बट उसे बहुत अच्छे से और प्राउडली उसको इंटरव्यू के सामने पुट फॉरवर्ड करो कि येस दिस इज मी, दिस इंट्रोडक्शन डिस्क्राइब्स मी. सो इफ यू वांट टू नो माय introduction, I'll share it with you if you'll comment down for in my next video. This video is only going to be about the question which was asked to me और उसका थोड़ा बहुत summary कि मैंने कैसे कैसे आंसर दिया था. I'm sorry. So the second question was things which you like about Indigo and your previous company. मतलब I told them that I'm working with Indigo from last 3 years. So उन्होंने पूछा 3 साल हो गए हैं, what is the best thing about Indigo, what you love about Indigo. Then मैंने अपनी चीज़ें बताई that they are very crew friendly, the salary is always on time, we have people to reach out, our base team is very nice, they are always on toes to help me, and I'm doing my graduation and my team, my Indigo is supporting me for that. And whenever I need somebody in my life, most of the time my base manager is there, they actually understand the problems, family problems, personal problems. So in this way Indigo is great, and they actually make you fly so nicely कि आपको experience होता, they make you fly more so that you get more experience. So I believe, and you can earn more money as well. So these are the qualities I like about Indigo. मैंने this is the brief I have given you, बट और भी बहुत मतलब मैंने और अच्छे से इसको पोर्ट्रे करके बोला था विद अ वेरी नाइस आंसर, वेरी नाइस वे, नॉट दिस कैजुअल वे. No. So this was the second question which they asked me from my previous company. Then just after this they asked me, okay, very nice that these are the good things. What are the worst experience you have faced in Indigo, Sanjana? So you are not going to answer कि यार एक बार ऐसा हो गया था वैसा हो गया था. No. This how I started my answer was like, worst experience was not there, but yeah, there are tough time when I have faced lots of issue in flight dealing with the passengers. But I believe after dealing with every situation you are more experienced and you improve yourself. Dealing with different experience make me very strong. So there are so many experience where I felt like oh my god, this is a disaster, how to handle it. But me and my crew and my lead, we all together came as a team and we dealt with the situation pretty well. So there is no such worst experience because the outcome was great. So this is the answer which I have given for this कि मेरा वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा है इंडिगो के साथ. सो मेक श्योर यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू से एनीथिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट इट, बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट टू नो कि तुम किस किस सिचुएशन को कैसे कैसे डील करने वाले हो. सो दे वॉन्ट टू सी हाउ पॉजिटिव यू आर, or maybe how you portray things, how you are, because customer service is all about glamour, providing good service and luxury to the passengers. So Indigo, like, it's a domestic airline, and talking about Emirates, it's a international brand. Every crew wants to be there. So I said this like in a very good manner that कि मेरा कोई worst experience नहीं था, but हाँ situations बहुत difficult थी जिनको मैंने handle किया, but outcome बहुत अच्छा था, जिसकी वजह से मेरे लिए वो experience हमेशा memorable रहेंगे. So just after that they asked, so can you share any experience where you have suffered a lot and the outcome was nice, that passenger went happy from your flight? And I was like, yes, there are so many cases I have faced in my crew journey that made me feel proud ki, oh my god, I'm capable enough to handle all these situations. And these 3 years made me a very strong crew and a very strong personality as well. So if you want to know कि मैंने example दिया था seat duplication का. So मैंने उनको बोला, I was flying from Delhi to Hong Kong where there was a seat duplication. I'm so sorry, seat duplication. There were 3 passengers traveling together at the overwing exit, and there were 2 passengers who were already seated. So उनका concern ये था, the concern was all those 3 passengers who were in a group of 3 traveling to Hong Kong wants to sit together. But there were already 2 passengers who were seated there, so there was 2 seat duplication. So those passengers was not ready to move from their window seat and even from the overwing because they have extra leg space there. But how I managed this, I gave, and these 3 passengers one seat together, that to overwing pe. So I went to those 3 guys, the youngsters, 3 passengers, asked them to take this seat. बाकी जो 2 थे, the one who were already seated there, I checked the boarding pass. I offered them seat which was together with the extra leg space. So one of them I shifted to the very first row so that they can deplane first. I offered them, you can take the first row of the aircraft, sir. It will be easy for you to get deplane on time. And I'll offer you a window seat where else you are in a middle seat at the overwing. So you can change to a window seat even to the front row. So he was happy कि window seat भी मिल रही है, front row भी मिल रही है, extra leg space भी होता है front row में comparatively बाकी seats के. So that guy was ready to move. That passenger was ready to move. For the second passenger, I offered him 3 seats together. And I was like, sir, here it's a long flight. It's a 5 hours flight from Delhi to Hong Kong. I'll offer you 3 seats together where you can lie down and sleep and enjoy the entire flight. So he was also ready कि ठीक है 3 seats साथ में मिल रही है, leg space ही तो नहीं है, window seat, aisle seat and middle seat तीनों उसकी है, मस्त सोते हुए जाऊँगा मैं. So that passenger also moved, and I asked those 3 friends to sit together at the overwing. So situational based भी question उन्होंने पूछा था. So next question was like, Sanshana, do you feel it was safe to move 3 friends to the overwing exit? Good question. I was like, yeah, it was completely. And मैंने बोला था those were youngsters. So don't you think we need physically abled and good profiled passenger who can sit there? These youngsters will trouble you, or they might open the exit or something like that. They can do anything, or they might be drunk before boarding the flight. So I was like, well said, ma'am. It can happen, but those youngsters were pretty mature. They were around 25 to 30 in between, as much as I can figure out, and thus there was no smell of alcohol, and we were not serving alcohol. We are serving alcohol, but in a very limited amount, that we are going to give limited amount of alcohol to these 3 passengers who are seated together. They were but the advantage was they all were totally fit to sit there. They were able-bodied passengers. They could read and write Hindi and English. So they were just the perfect fit. And we cannot make a judgment that they are gonna do that, because I am going to brief you I said them, I'm going to brief you about this exit, and touching or damaging this exit is a punishable offense. So my briefing was so strong that nobody is going to open that exit for sure. So, and if it by God grace anything happens, we have our procedures and we can follow them. According to my procedure, we are going to follow all those things. जिसकी वजह से I made them made my briefing very clear that nobody is going to touch the exit without my permission. So she was like, nice. So you really think that you are good in briefing? I was like, yes, I made my briefing very clear, very loud. Not only the overwing passenger, but people around them can hear my voice. So she was like, nice, nice. Then she took some time. She was reading out my resume. Then she was like, oh, you play basketball, Sanjna? Then I said, I used to play basketball, ma'am, but because of my flying, I did not have enough time to continue my sports. So she was like, do you really want to go, or have you seen a future as a basketball player? Then I was like, no, ma'am, not. To be honest, I like to play basketball, but I'm not so great that I can take it as a professional sports. I can take it as a professional sport. Then she was like, बहुत छोटे छोटे ऐसे होता है बातें हो रही है छोटी छोटी. She was just want to know me. So those were the answers जो मैं दे रही थी कि बहुत छोटे छोटे answers दे रही थी. मैं छोटे छोटे questions पूछ रही थी because if you are going to stretch it, अगर आपका आंसर बहुत लंबा होने वाला है तो उसके पास बहुत सारे questions आ जाएंगे. Then the next question was like, okay, so tell me, why do you want to join Emirates? And I was like, Emirates is the biggest airline of Dubai, and it's an international airline with over 148 destinations, and they have different kind of aircrafts, Airbus and Boeing too, and it's a full service airline which is going to help me to develop, because as an Indigo crew I only operate Airbus A320 and 21, and it's not even a full service airline, and we are not covering entire world, we are just covering the Asian countries nearby. So she was like, okay. मतलब मैंने और भी आंसर मतलब I stretched the answer which जो मुझे अभी याद नहीं है. I need to take the paper and write it down again. If you want to know the answer, I'll tell it in the next video if you want. So why Emirates, they asked, and then then the next question was, what do you know about Dubai? I was like, good question. What do I know about Dubai? Then I was like, Dubai, everybody knows about Dubai. It's such a pretty place. We have lots of adventure and it developed so well. The building, the architecture, the Burj Khalifa, and the people over there are so helpful. So she was like, what culture do the Dubai people follow? I was like, they follow Muslim culture. So उसने बोला, now Ramadans are about to come, you know how you will be restricted to wear few things, eating outside in front of people who are fasting, and smoking not front of those people. And I was like, I am pretty well aware about all the requirements and everything about Dubai, because I have been to Dubai on layovers from Indigo. So Dubai is a pretty place, pretty adventurous. Different nationality comes there to enjoy. And if I'm getting the opportunity to live in Dubai, that will be a great exposure for me. And respecting people over there is mandatory. Even if somebody is coming to my country, I would expect them to respect my people, my culture. So if I'm going to their country, so I'm gonna do the same for them. And talking about the clothes and the culture part, yeah, I'm well aware that we are not allowed to wear short dresses, which is completely okay. It's going to be very humid and very sunny over there, so I would not like to get tanned, and I'll wear full sleeves clothes and I'll cover myself, and I'm completely okay to work according to Dubai culture, and even though our Emirates culture in that matter. So she was like, nice. So are you okay serving alcohol, Sanjna, on flight? I was like, yeah, I'm completely okay serving alcohol. However, I don't drink, but yeah, when it comes to serving, I don't mind serving. If there is, even in Indigo, there is a training for international crew where they train to serve alcohol, and I have done that in my previous, in my current airline. I have done that in my current airline as well, so I'm completely okay to serve alcohol in Emirates airline. Then she was like nice again, मतलब वो nice नहीं बोल रही थी, but she was like smiling and looking me and then looking at the paper and typing something and making notes about it. Then what were the next questions? थोड़ा सोचने दो मुझे, ऐसे एकदम याद नहीं आ रहा है. Am I missing out? Why Emirates, Dubai, culture? What are your hobbies? Yeah. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you know how to swim? Because मैंने लिखा हुआ था कि swimming, मेरे resume में लिखा हुआ था कि I like to do swimming in my free time. So she was like, you know how to swim? I was like, yes, I know how to swim. So she's like, have you ever faced any emergency in your cabin crew life? And I was like, no, by God grace, I've never faced such emergency where I have to evacuate passenger from the aircraft or ditching or any even in that case medical emergency. There are medical assistance required on my flight, which is like headache, vomiting and all, but not so very severe where I have to give CPR to the passenger. But I know if but I'm well trained for the same. If anything happens in future, I'm all on my toes to evacuate passengers safely, because in the end it's my responsibility to take my passenger out of the aircraft safely. And in case if it's a medical emergency, me and my team will be going to take care of the passenger pretty well, because we are well trained in my current airline to deal with any kind of medical emergency. However, we are also going to page for the doctor if there is any doctor available on the aircraft. So she was again happy to see me that कि लड़की में confidence बहुत है भाई, हर चीज़ का like मैं कर लूँगी, मैं कर लूँगी, मैं कर लूँगी. So she next thing was like, will it don't you think it will be difficult for you to serve in Emirates because it's a full service airline and from last 3 years you are in your comfort zone and not doing the full service? And I was like, yes, how to tackle this answer now? So I was like, yeah, it is going to difficult for me when it comes to serving for the working for the full service from my airlines where we don't do full service. So but flying for 4 sectors make me so strong that I can do full service 4 sectors, 6 sectors, because Indigo have made their crew so strong. And if everything is, if I'm getting all the benefits from Emirates, so why not? If my airline is going to pay me good, they're going to give me more good layovers, I'm going to travel, I'm going to live in Dubai. So for in return, I will be happy to serve the full service airline, work for full service airline, and I will consider myself as a crew when I'll start working for a full service airline, because then you actually face the difficulty. So I'm completely okay, and I'm willing to work for a full service airline for my personal growth and my personal experience. So she was like again nodding the hand. Most of the time वो बहुत कम स्माइल कर रही थी. To be honest, वो बहुत कम स्माइल कर रही थी. Most of the time her face was so blank that she was not giving any kind of expressions. So in the last she was like, how much time will it take you, how much difficulty will you face from getting sorry, I'm so sorry, let me form the question. Is it gonna difficult for you to switch from domestic to international airline and even to your home country to Dubai? Is it gonna difficult for you? मैंने बोला नहीं, no, it's not gonna difficult. I've been to Dubai and I'm well aware about the place Dubai, and I'm pretty much sure that this is the destination, this is the place where I want to be. I really want to work in Dubai, want to live that life. I have also watched Dubai Blinks. People over there are so ambitious, so good, so great, and so rich too. And I think so idhar maine galti kar di telling that they are very rich. So but it's okay, whatever comes in my mind, I just said that. I feel sad after saying that, to be honest. You don't, so आप मत बोलना ये चीज़. आप कुछ और अच्छा अपना क्वेश्चन बनाना कि आप इंडिया से दुबई और डोमेस्टिक से इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइन में क्यों स्विच करना चाहते हो. So I was like, yeah, I'm completely okay, and I want to experience. So all the questions they were asking was, they were somewhere, I think so, doubting whether I'll able to survive in Dubai and in their full service airline, because I'm coming from Indigo, which is not even a full service airline. But I made them very clear that I have worked hard and my record is pretty good in Indigo, and I'm a great crew because मैंने बहुत कम sick leaves ली है. और इंडिगो में हम 4 सेक्टर करते हैं. वी मेक सो मैनी आवर्स ऑफ फ्लाइंग, एंड the passengers are very weird sometimes, but I'm able to tackle them pretty well and made them feel good. So उन्होंने ये भी पूछा था, have you made any passengers flight very good, मतलब कोई ऐसे experience where the passenger was so happy and appreciated you personally, Sanjana? And I was like, yes, there was a time when I did something for a passenger out of my way. So she was like, what was that? That was like, there was a female passenger, there was a transgender who was traveling on my flight. The moment she boarded the flight, she was very tensed. I can see the stress on her face, and she was asking me to charge her phone. And Indigo, we don't have charging point for passengers because it's not a full service airline, it's a affordable fare airline. So but when I was doing the boarding, she again said, I denied when she was boarding. I said, ma'am, I'm so sorry, we don't have a charging point on board. So then she was disappointed. She went back, and whilst doing the service, she again requested me, ma'am, is it possible to charge my phone? So while doing the service, I noticed there was a passenger who had a power bank with them. So I requested the passenger, ma'am, sir, ma'am, there's a lady seated on 22 Delta. Her phone got switched off and she really need to make an urgent call once she land. Can you help her to charge her phone if I'll give you? So the passenger was like very comfortable. Yes, ma'am, it's okay, completely okay, I'll charge her phone. So I took the charge. I took her phone, the transgender took her phone, went back to the passenger, gave them, they charged it till 20%. They returned me and I gave back to my passengers, and your phone is 20% charge. I hope it's good enough. Now after deplaning, we have a charging point at the airport, you can charge it there. So that passenger was really happy because of that 20% of charging, and me asking for help in behalf of her from different passenger made her feel very special. She really appreciated me for the same, and she also wrote a pretty good long mail to my company appreciating about my efforts. So she was like, nice, good, again the same thing. So these are the only question I believe were asked to me, like good experience, bad experience, why do you want to leave Indigo, and are you willing to switch to Dubai from India, and my introduction, my hobbies, why I have not continued to be a basketball player and joined aviation. So these were the question which was asked to me. अभी मैंने बहुत छोटे में बताया, but somewhere my interview lasted for 40 minutes, guys. But it was a very great experience. इंटरव्यू से बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please comment down what will be the next video which you are hoping from me, the complete answers or the things which I learned and I observed from my interview day, and आपको बता सकूँ कि मिस्टेक्स आप जो ना करो नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you for giving me lots of love. Let's meet again on my next video. I'm hoping for lots of comments once again and lots of subscribers as well. I'm so sorry. And I'm hoping for lots of subscribers as well. See you soon. Bye. Take care and all the best for your interview. Be well prepared. आप कितने भी answers और videos देख के जाओ, रट के जाओ. But there is some question which is going to pop out of the way because they have so many questions out of your resume. So whatever you are going to write in your resume, make sure that will be great and that is relatable to your personality or experiences which you have made in life. That's it from my side. Bye bye, take care, love you. Do subscribe my channel.